Excuse me, sir. You cannot park right there. You can't park right there. I'm definitely going Catless though. Hey, good morning, y'all. It's like 4:30 in the morning, man. Finna get ready to hit the road. Finna meet up with my boy Quiz. He leaving Atlanta. We gonna meet in Birmingham. And then we gonna get ready to hit the road, man. We got like a 10, 11 hour drive all the way to Dallas. We headed to, we are Mopar. Mopar having an event for this weekend, man. So, yeah, I got to stop by the gas station, get some gas, grab an energy drink, and then we gonna hit the road, man. So safe travels, y'all pray for safe travels, you know what I'm saying? And I'm gonna give y'all a little update as we go along. My boy Quiz just pulled up in the Hawk, you feel me? My boy Quiz just pulled up in the Hawk, man. Look, don't pay no attention to the truck, bro. They both dirty right now. But we was like, what's the point of washing them when we finna get on the road anyway? So what we gonna do is, man, we just gonna we're gonna get a wash once we get to Dallas, man. Man, we in Memphis, man. We in Memphis, man. We had to stop and pick up somebody, man. Had to pick up somebody in the yellow scat right there. You know what I'm talking about? See my boy Queer right there. You understand me? Feel me? But yeah, man, we about to hit the road now, man. We got about, let's see, about 6 hours to go. We got about 6 hours to go. And then we're gonna be in Texas, baby. Alright, man, we had to make another quick pit stop, man. We got to get a fresh set of tires put on the B. And I think bro got the hey, let me stop, man. He got his tires on wrong. So that tire got to get swapped to that side. Cause look, these, see how the pattern going right that way? He saying riding funny, man. So if you look, that tire like you're supposed to go over there, and then that tire over there got to go over here. You know what I'm saying? So they finna get that straight, man, and then we on the road for sure this time, man. We ain't making no more pit stop. Hey, I'm telling you now, how Keisha ready to play, baby.
No, that way, Clyde. We got a mile. Already.
Okay. Oh, he ain't trying to do shit. Oh, man.
Long it off, Clyde. Long it off. You get up here. Where we gonna get?
Excuse me, sir. You cannot park right there. You can't park right there.
You can't park right there.
Hey, gang, what it do, man? It's a new day, man. We just woke up. I'm finna pull the whips out and go get a wash, man. After we get the wash, I'm gonna see what we got up for the day. Y'all tell me who TRACKHAWK y'all think the loudest. Mine or his? I know it's gonna be his, but I don't care. I want louder. I got to get my shit loud like that.
I got older neighbors. We kind of spread apart. I know the apartment's gonna hate me when I pull out this motherfucker.
Oh yeah, they gonna hate your ass, bro.
I might get this bitch for the motherfucker detached garage. Like I can't get the one to go right above my apartment.
Yeah.
What, crank that bitch up in the morning. Blah, 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 blah. I'm definitely going Catless though.
6, 7. Your shit at 16, nigga.
Bro. Hey man, that's why I said I had to get that Hawk, bro.
Yeah.
And when I got it, I had to go ahead and pull it
I've
down.
been talking about this Hawk shit for a long time.
We sure been talking about it, bro. Oh yeah, we had to make that shit happen. Yeah, I'm going Catless when I get home.
Backfire every time.
I'm going Catless, them cats, bro. That Catless, I got.
What else you did on this one?
Well, no, I bought it like that, nigga.
That big guy Catless, bigger exhaust,
I got 1300 injectors, all that shit.
boiler attack. Or BJ boiler or Corsa?
Boiler.
Bro, that shit, I'm telling you, that first shit long as hell.
Yeah. You go doc.
Hey, which one you like better, this or the Hellcat?
It's
different.
All-wheel drive, so
Yeah.
that's gonna make it fun.
Man,
Make it better because
Yeah.
you can go straight. The Hellcat,
You can have fun with it.
You can just
Yeah, that's the exact same thing I tell people. Only thing about mine, like I had mine set up for racing, so I had a diff brace on the back, so I couldn't do all that sliding and stuff for real.
Yeah.
So come my diff was like locked because it was made to go straight.
Yeah, that's why I ain't even go there for. I just did like little tunes and injectors and pulleys. I was just like,
That shit was fast.
I still want to just
Play around with it.
Yeah. Plus I had them big ass wheels on there, so I wasn't tripping.
Them was sixes, bro?
Nah, they were
Four?
Yeah.
I don't know why I thought them bitches was sixes.
I want to do 6s on the Jeep.
I think
When I
Gerard
lowered
had
it.
6s.
Who did?
For Gerard, don't you guys had
Oh
6s?
yeah, he had 6 on his shit.
So you got lowered your Jeep down.
Yeah, I lowered mine.
I told him, you net, bro. Everybody got this shit low but you.
You got your lower?
Hey.
Oh, factory ride.
Oh, hell yeah. I got no eyeball springs on
You got
mine.
his back lowered.
I did the back.
Front did too.
You got front too?
Yeah, I got 2 in the back and 1 in the front.
Okay.
I had 2. That bitch was looking like a truck.
Bitch. I just want to go through. Shit like this, you just gotta go through.
Just got the one time.
You just gotta go through.
Just to make a little noise.
So they be like, oh, Trackhawk. That's goddamn right. Sometimes you catch some imposters and shit.
Nigga in a trail hawk out there.
Exactly. Them niggas be at work.
Texas 2K and shit.
Niggas with 700-800, them niggas be out on a regular basis, just riding around like they were coming down to the Supra. Tire on the back.
Yeah.
Probably have about 500. Little pop.
Come with fully motor Honda Civic.
Exactly. Them niggas, but the Mexican with a cat.
Big
Don't
turbos.
speak no English.
Motherfucker have a turbo with the exhaust pipe popping out the hood.
I don't believe that shit. That was Honda.
Bro, that bitch started spinning then.
Turn that bitch
I
down.
already knew they was gonna do that.
You thought it was?
Thought it was something.
You like, oh yeah, what the fuck?
Thought it was the M4 or something.
I thought they were young guy was from fuck.
That bitch ready now. Hey, this bitch right.
This bitch be going, bro.
Yeah, they were gears we did.
You launched this bitch from a dead stop yet?
You what?
I don't trust it yet.
Oh shit.
Man.
Nah, that time I don't trust it yet. I did when back when I had it before the shit changed.
Yeah.
I did then. I don't trust April Tucker yet.
You gotta give her that 10 bar sauce, bro.
I am. That 10 bar sauce. Yeah, I trust that shit.
Man, I got to show y'all how clean bro done got Hawkeisha cleaned all the way up, bro. Man, I feel official now, y'all. I done got stamped with the SRT life, man. You know, bro, I just want to say it's such an honor and privilege, you know, all my hard work to pay it off. Oh, stop. And then you had the yellow one already on deck. That be gonna look nice, man. Hey, y'all make sure y'all go tap in my boy, man. I'ma drop his I'ma drop out his Instagram and stuff, man. My boy Hellcat.
She know I'm
hey,
single,
bro.
ain't got time to mingle. If she get to stalking, I'm changing my
You gonna
line.
put some 6s on the Jeep? You gonna go 6 on the Jeep, bro? Yeah, that be gonna be straight right there.
Yeah, I want 6.
We stamped, bro. You gonna get you one too? Ooh, and we finna come on that bitch like twinsies.